Permafrost is the layer of soil and rock frozen for at least 2 years beneath the Arctic tundra. As temperatures rise, carbon-rich permafrost is thawing at an increased rate, faster than scientists had predicted. As permafrost thaws, carbon is released into the atmosphere as methane or carbon dioxide, 2 greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere eventually mixes with ocean waters. Carbon-rich sediment is deposited into the ocean by rivers and coastal erosion. Scientists estimate that permafrost contains nearly 1,700 gigatons of frozen carbon, twice the amount of carbon currently in the atmosphere. Researchers collect permafrost cores and water samples to model the release of carbon. This information is combined with satellite imagery and other data to model and predict the dynamics of permafrost as temperatures continue to rise. This research is vital, as temperatures in the Arctic are rising at twice the rate of the global average.